If you own a small business, you know how important it is to protect your organization's data and your customers' trust. Knowing how to keep your private network secure can help protect sensitive information. And it's easier than you think. Start by securing your business's Wi-Fi. Change the default network name and password on your router. Set up a guest network for clients and smart devices that don't need access to business files. If your employees work remotely, ensure your company's devices have a virtual private network or VPN installed. Public Wi-Fi, like those in coffee shops or conference centers, can be a hotspot for cybercriminals. A VPN encrypts your connection, keeping emails and documents secure. Finally, it's important to make sure your private network and all your business's connected devices are protected by a firewall and antivirus software. Taking these simple steps to secure your network can go a long way to protect your business. Learn more about securing your small business at getcybersafe.ca/business.